battle a severe air pollution crisis, with toxic smog blanketing the city and breathing becoming increasingly difficult for residents. Despite multiple measures, air quality remains in the danger zone. On Wednesday, Delhi recorded an AQI of 328, placing it in the very poor category, according to the CPCB. This comes just a day after AQI levels touched 354, highlighting how great the situation remains across the national capital. The Supreme Court has also sharply criticized authorities, calling the situation a total failure, and has stressed the urgent need for long-term practical solutions to deal with the pollution menace. Now, in a major step to curb vehicular emissions, the Delhi government has announced that vehicles without a valid Pollution Under Control Certificate or PUCC will not be allowed to refuel at petrol pumps across the city starting today. Petrol pump operators have been directed to check PUCC validity before dispensing fuel. To enforce this, automatic number plate recognition systems along with on-ground inspections are being used. Traffic police personnel, transport department officials and municipal corporation staff have been deployed at petrol pumps. However, ambulances, fire brigade vehicles, police vehicles and vehicles carrying essential goods have been exempted from this ban. A PUC certificate is issued after an emission check conducted at authorized centers across the national capital. For Bharat Stage 4 and Bharat Stage 6 compliant vehicles, the certificate is valid for 12 months. But violating the rules can attract a fine of up to Rs 20,000. Now, following the order, long queues were seen at PUCC centers as vehicle owners rushed to update their certificates. This move has drawn criticism from several drivers who say it will create inconvenience, especially for office goers. While some question why similar steps are not taken in other cities and express doubts over whether such measures alone can reduce pollution. Amid this, Yu Jing, the spokesperson of the Chinese embassy in India, shared how China managed to improve its AQI over the past decade. She suggested strict emission controls, especially on vehicles, phasing out old and high-emission vehicles, expanding public transport, limiting the number of cars on roads, and accelerating the shift to electric vehicles. She also highlighted how China restructured industries by shutting or relocating polluting factories and investing heavily in renewable energy and real-time pollution monitoring. Experts maintain that while such steps may help in the short term, Delhi's pollution crisis requires strict enforcement, regional coordination, better control of stubble burning, and sustained investment in clean transport and public infrastructure. Therefore, the fight for clean air, as they say, must go beyond temporary curbs. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.